Wetlands provide a wide variety of important services. These include being a source of fresh water and food, helping to replenish aquifers, carbon sequestering, agriculture, protection from erosion, flooding, and storm surges, and helping to filter harmful contaminants from our water. How wetlands are valued depends on what type of value is being considered. Let's consider a monetary value. One study generated monetary value estimates on the 10 main biomes on our planet. To calculate these estimates, provisional, regulation, habitat, and cultural services were considered. Provisional services included things like food, raw materials, and medicines. Regulation services included air quality, erosion control, climate regulation, and biological control. Habitat services takes into account the use of the wetland as nursery and gene pool protection. Finally, cultural services included aesthetics, recreation, and inspiration for arts and culture. Considering all these factors and more, the estimated value range for the inland wetlands biome is $5,000 to $100,000 per hectare per year. The estimated value range that was calculated for the coastal wetlands biome is $500 to nearly $1 million per hectare per year. 1 hectare is roughly 2.5 acres. Placing a concrete monetary value on an ecosystem is difficult, especially on a global scale, and there's often a wide range of values calculated as we see in this study. Now let's focus on one specific regulation service of wetlands, protection against natural disasters. The UN estimates that of all the natural hazards we face, 90% are water-related, and that the current climate change trend will contribute to more frequent and severe impacts from these hazards. According to the National Atmospheric and Oceanic Administration, the total insured losses from hurricane damage between 1986 and 2015 was over $515 billion. Wetlands can both act as protective barriers during storm events and absorb and store excess water to help reduce flood hazards. In areas where coastal wetlands have been degraded, storm surges can reach much further inland, increasing damage costs and the loss of life. Another study calculated that the monetary benefits of wetlands in southeast Louisiana found that in study areas containing roughly 1,700 homes, just a 1% increase in the wetland to water ratio translated to the equivalent of saving 3 to 5 homes per study area. As we face the potential for more frequent and severe hurricanes, protecting and restoring wetlands translates directly to monetary value.